Hey, good morning, guys. We're here with the new 1508 ULT upgrade kit. All right, this is for guys who bought the Max Ultimate and for guys who want to upgrade to the TRX. I don't know the part number, but this is a Traxxas part for the differential cover. I don't really think the differential cover is necessary because we have tied the differential to the motor mount with our system, but a lot of guys want to upgrade. That's what we do, so let's get to it. If you're buying the 1528 today and after, let us know in the leave us a note in the comment, and we will swap these parts out for you at no charge. If you've already got it and you want to upgrade to this cover, then it's available for I think 20 bucks or something, real reasonable. So let's get to it. What we found when they started releasing the Max Ultimate was that when they put this differential cover on there, our uprights no longer fit. So what I did is we went in and we revised the uprights, and we also made a spacer plate. So I was just going to show you guys how to put that on real quick. Okay, what you would do now, if you want to upgrade this from your current mount, if you want to run this diff cover, really not much point in upgrading to that diff cover because we're already tied to the differential, and differential's already solid with the plastic cover. But I know the X-MAXX Ultimate guys wanted this, and some guys are going to want to upgrade to that cover anyway. We like upgrading. That's what we do. It's fun. Thank God, or I wouldn't have a job. Get these doggone wires out of my way. Okay, so super easy upgrade. You would remove your old post, install the new post, which fit the cover properly, and you'll see a little bit different design if you're doing like an upgrade. But super easy. But what I wanted to show you guys was there's a little step on this spacer plate. Okay, this is the 1508-2, this is the 1508, 1508-2, and 1508-3. There's a little spacer plate, and it's got a little gap, and that gap goes to the inside. You see how the letters face this way, and the letters will face the same way on our top plate. Everything's facing the same way. I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. So you'll want to put your cover on with the screws. Oh. All right, don't want to do half a job on you here. These screws. Now, I put the cover on to. I had the cover off. You won't have to remove your cover for anything if you're just doing an upgrade. But this is how you put the cover on if you're doing the. And don't be like me. Use a wrench like this to finish tighten. Bad example. I'm always being a bad example. It's kind of what I do. Okay, so we're gonna have, now don't forget, here's your slightly smaller space, about 10 thousandths. Okay, so lay it on there. That goes to the inside so that all the lettering is facing the same way. And gonna drop that down on there, and just gonna reinstall our screws. And I always like to start all the screws first, make your life easy. Don't make life hard on purpose. All right. And I'm hoping we're in frame with all this, so I don't have to come back and do it again. But this little hat cam thing with the Insta360 has been treating me real good. So, and this is, of course, after your mesh is set already. And you see what I do with the gun is I hold it really loosely. That way I don't over torque these little teeny bolts. And I just let it snatch it out of my hand, kind of. I don't recommend doing that. I recommend doing it with this. Play it safe, because I can just go back out there and get a part. Okay, so that's it. Super simple, super easy. And now you can use the factory cover for the Ultimate, or I don't remember. I threw away the package. I don't know what the part number is, but that's a Traxxas part. It may fit other parts from like the Chinese manufacturers or whatever, but I don't know, because I can't keep up with the Chinese manufacturers. So that's the installation. Thanks for coming along with me. Deuces. Oh, not deuces. Check us out at www.m2cracing.net.